How do you insulate a compost bin? Today on this beautiful sunny day, I'm going to take advantage of winterizing the compost bin. Last week I was able to empty and clear all of the gardens, and they're good for next year. I use my compost bin 365 days of the year, and that means it can get really cold. To help keep my compost bin insulated and to keep a little extra warmth, I like to line it with long pieces of cardboard along the edges. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull away some of the compost from the edges of the bin. Now that I've added a little bit of cardboard on that end, I'll push the compost back. Well, I just checked the compost and it's not frozen. It looks like the insulation has been working all winter. We've lined the inside with cardboard. It's provided a little bit of insulation from the outdoor elements. The sunshine all day long helps keep this black bin warm. It's actually warm right now. It's working well enough that I'm able to put this pitchfork in quite easily. Pull out some organic materials. I've been adding this all winter long. Not frozen.